Hello, what's going on, guys? Shadow here, and today I'll be covering and continuing my series about which Pokemon has the highest in each stack for their respected type. At least what they can fill. If they're dual type, maybe they'll go in both sections, maybe they won't. By the way, if you didn't check out my other video, massive information that apparently it seems like nobody's noticed, which is interesting. As you can see, there are currently 72 electric type Pokemon, which is interesting because I'm surprised. It will be a long time before every type is over 100, because then you would have to wait for all the ice types to get to 100. That would be a while. How interesting. 72, that means you can make about hello? Hello? Hold on. Okay, I fixed it. So 72 electric type Pokemon, 33 single electric type Pokemon. That's interesting. The dual type. It's interesting how long Pokemon has been around, but how few little moves there are, at least that do damage. Obviously, when you add all the types. So, which electric type Pokemon do you guys think will get the HP, the attack, the special attack, the defense speed, anything? Which one do you guys think, off the top of your head, is probably the one? I'm sure some of you might know. Some of you might know, non-including Megas. So for the first Pokemon in the stats of HP is Lanturn. Yes, this anglerfish thing, the very friendly anglerfish. The one true water electric Pokemon, said by MAJTV, which he thinks is a lot cooler than the washing machine. I don't understand why he dislikes the washing machine. Interesting. I don't really wanna. Anyways, the HP of Lanturn is 125. Pretty good. Not far from what the electric Arceus could do. It is a lot. 100 in HP, despite 100 in any other stat, seems like the most uncommon thing for a Pokemon to have 100 HP. Now, it's not like wildly outcommon, but it's not super common at all. Now, which do you guys think are gonna go for the attack? It is Zekrom. The media might forget that it's a physical attacker because it's a legendary and its Thunderbolt electricity powers are easier to represent specially. But it is indeed a special attacker and actually fills a double entry on this list. The Pokemon ideals, focusing on attack and defense, having its 150 attack and I believe 120 defense. So the Pokemon Ideals is nowhere near a slouch in terms of how hard it can hit and what it can take. Also, this should be Shiny Zekrom. It should be. It just makes sense. They did the whole yin and yang thing. They kept the theme of how black version you get Reshiram even into till the sequels. Don't know why Shini's on that. Just it's a lot easier to see than their eyes being swapped. Jeez. Anyways, on to our next attack, special attack. What can you guys guess? Who is the hardest hitting special attacker you can think of? 1, 2, 3, go. It is the weird wire Pokemon that some people hate the Ultra Beast. Some people could find this one funny. Some people find it stupid that it forms like a Christmas tree. And JTV thinks that the fact that it's a bundle of wires, and he believes it is the least like creature human, like there's not a it's completely inanimate and looks less like a creature than it does an object. Like this Aegislash, but like Aegislash is cool while this is weird and yeah. But anyways, in its special attack, it boosts the incredible 173 special attack. That is quite powerful. Putting it as one of the strongest, hardest hitting Pokemon of all time, if it can get an attack off, if it does not die, which I don't know how likely that is or how unlikely that is. But it's a very strange Pokemon. It hits really hard. And yeah. On to the next entry. Fitting that double list that Zekrom filled in its defense, which Pokemon has the highest special defense? Let's look through this list once more. You know, maybe it's Golem, maybe it's Zapdos. You know, it's been known to play more of a defensive roles in recent years. Maybe it's Lantern again, you know. No, I already covered it, kind of blew that away. Maybe it's Mega Mametric. Actually, I don't know if it's Mega Mametric. I don't think I covered Mega Mametric. Maybe it's a Rotom forms. You guys think it's quite bulky. Who do you guys think it is? Huh? Well, it's Mega Ampharos. Yes, the funny haha, along with Alolan Ductrio, with its stupid hair, making it a dragon type. Like there's no excuse in this case for why it looks like it is. Ampharos, you know, it's an okay looking Pokemon. But Ampharos, you know, it had quite the different chance for Omega and how it would look. Alolan Dugtrio took it a little bit too unrealistic with the whole ash thing for the hair. Should have made it look a little bit different tone than that, and not look like blonde hair. But there's no excuse here. But besides the rambling on about Mega Ampharos. Now some of you guys are going like, wait, doesn't Mega Ampharos only have 110 special defense? Yes, it does. And many people might know that. Many people might not if they're not too into the stats all the time and all, and just realize its high special attack being only 8 points lower than Xurkitree. And technically it is lower than Arceus when you give it the electric plate. But if you don't include form changes that require an item, like Arceus's form, which will not fill a lot of lists, but like it can take out the fun of these lists. So it's either Arceus when it's holding the electric plate, or Mega Ampharos. Mega Ampharos has 110, Arceus has 120. Moving on. You guys probably know the next stat, obviously, speed. And there's definitely, you guys definitely know the answer to this one. Electrode, with its incredible 150 speed, making it basically the third fastest Pokemon in terms of speed tier. With its, like, there's the, you got your, electric types are usually quite fast. You got your 100s, 120s sometimes. Then you get to the upper tiers, 150, 160 into Ninjask, and then you got your 180 for the fastest Pokemon of all time, Deoxys Speed. Now, while Electrode is not a good Pokemon, as the only thing it has going for it is its speed, I mean, realistically, it ain't awful. I mean, its bulk is probably terrible, but it's not like it doesn't hit too hard. In fact, what was Electrode in, like, let's say Gen 1 UU, like, where was Electrode? It was a UU Pokemon, okay? UU was the lowest tier you can get. So, if we go into Gen 2 UU, has it fallen to the bottom? It is still UU. Okay, maybe it ain't so bad in the early days, okay? But all it's got going for it is its fantastic speed. I'm not sure if... oh yeah, Electrode is not in the game. So, it ain't that good of a Pokemon. Ain't fantastic at anything besides going fast, but if you're not hitting incredibly hard and still frail, it's not really worth it. Anyways, that'll be my list, guys, and goodbye.